Hi pals, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another fantastic wet set tutorial. As you can see, I've already wrapped my hair. That's cool, right? Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take them all out, and then we're going to do a vintage stack. Okay, so super love those rollers. They're a lot softer than my traditional foam rollers. So they're satin wrapped, so I don't need like a wrapping paper on them or rolling paper. And on the inside you can feel there's like stoppers, but there's like a piece of wire on the inside to wrap them. So then you get the like, they've got the foam, and they were super comfy to sleep in, so that's cool. Well, brush it out.
Okay, so this is slightly sped up, but you've seen me do this a bazillion times before. Just slightly start picking it out so that there's no big snarls in it, and just go from there. So I'm just gonna pick it out, and it looks like I'm trying to situate my part and all that good stuff too. Full transparency, this video is going to have a lot of voiceover because I kept forgetting to turn my microphone on. So, you guys know how I am. I'm a little forgetful at times. Just me checking myself out and fluffing myself up because I'm a little vain. Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty of the brushing. So, just enjoy.
So the first brush out part is just, I just really like to brush out the curl, because look, now I'm getting kind of that Farrah Fawcett 70s thing happening. I don't know where it's gonna go, but that's the fun of doing a wet set, is you kind of get to play around and see what's gonna happen. My back coming like this. This is not absolutely necessary to do for a wet set vintage style, especially if you already have a lot of volume in your hair naturally. But I had this horrible little spot in the back of my head, my little cowlick or whirl, whatever you want to call it, that makes my hair split in a really awkward way, and I am not a fan. So here's the thing. But the trick with any kind of hair care product, especially ones that are a little bit on the stickier side, is you want to emulsify them in your hands first, because when you emulsify them, make it more pliable and spreadable, so then you don't end up with a random clump of product in one spot. This is obviously going to fall quite a bit throughout the day because my hair is freshly cleaned, in addition to being super deep clean, or super deep conditioned on top of that, because this is just a deep conditioner that I put in my hair to make it pink. I am ready to take on the day again after this set. So you can tell it's been a full day because my hair rubbed off half of this eyebrow, and then this one is just...
Okay, so then I go in and I just rebrush all of my hair to get it kind of situated. before I prep it to get wrapped up for the night.
That they would not necessarily fully rewrap their whole head. A lot of women would sleep sitting up. A lot of women still sleep sitting up, and I know that is true 100% for sure, because a lot of my older clients talk about that. This is just that conditioning mist that I talked about earlier. That's basically as far down as I'll go with them, because I don't want to not be able to sleep well. Or sleep well. Gosh. Sometimes words, they don't work.
Honestly, I have no idea what I'm talking about, but I'm just kind of taking and wrapping my hair very, very simply just to keep some of the shape of the curl in my hair. It makes more sense this way, so that I don't have to go in with hot tools and redo it.
Fluff it all in, throw it all together, thumbs up it, curl it good. Sometimes I won't even do this. I'll literally just put my hair in a top knot on the top of my head.
So this is
depends on
where
my
it gets
mood.
fun.
But
This is
today
me
we're doing it this way. We'll
trying to
see how
talk
I
to you
feel
guys
about
without
tomorrow.
actually
And
being
then-
able to talk to y'all, because I did not turn my microphone on. So I'm basically just going to pull all of this out of my hair. As you can see, I'm just gradually pulling out all of the rollers and different things I situated in my hair last night to go to sleep, so I have some shape and style left to my hair. Those finger wave clips are amazing. I wish I knew they existed when I was in hair school, because then I would have never had to try to learn how to do finger waves. All of my fellow cosmetologists or cosmetology students understand the pain of finger waves. So if you want a finger wave look, try and find yourself some of those finger wave clips. They're vintage. I believe they were made by Goody. I think there's some other brands too, but I think mine are actually the Goody brand. I'm just brushing it out and positioning it all in a nice way. Again, mostly very similar style to what I had yesterday. Okay, so another day is down, showing you guys how much it has fallen. Rambling on as I am known to do about nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some dry shampoo and what have you, and just brush through it and get ready to reposition it all to go to sleep tonight. All right, so it's the next morning, and here I am looking all like I've got my life together, and I'm completely unaware of the fact that you guys can't hear anything I'm saying other than what I'm saying on this voiceover. So I initially wrapped my hair simply and easily, just took those same foam rollers that I had used to wrap the set to begin with, just to give it a little bit of extra volume and curl and to keep everything kind of in place. So what I'm doing now is basically going in and kind of attempting to do like a low chignon type style. It's not working out so well. As you can see, I'm getting a little irritated and frustrated with myself. So what I ended up doing is just kind of like a light twist on each side to pull it back to have like a faux chignon. And I'm putting my products in my hair that I always use, and I found my boar bristle brush, which I couldn't find to begin with, and I'm using that to help smooth everything down and get a nice, smooth, soft, shiny look. And I'm setting my front pieces of my hair and pinning them back to give that nice, kind of swoopy, classic look while looking put together. It's super fun and super easy to manage this and do this after a couple days of the same wet set. Okay, here we go with the final finish for day 3.
Day 4 of Wet Set Magic. I was super exhausted last night when I came home, so I did not do anything special with my hair. I literally put my hair in a top knot. Makeup today, I don't know why, but I was going very ethereal. Mostly I was like, hey, I want to play with my white eyeliner, and this is what we get. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I did a thing. Hey. Hey, now you can, like, see my eye makeup. Yeah. It's kind of nice. Spritz it all a little bit with dry shampoo and that conditioning mist.
So basically, I'm just doing a nice side swoop braid. If you don't know how to French braid your own hair, it's not that hard. You just have to practice. As with basically everything, you have to practice, practice, practice. I know it looks kind of like hot garbage, but it always comes together quite nicely when I'm done. I did a lot more updoey type styles with this set because we were having a massive heat wave. We are still currently having a massive heat wave. It's so hot. Send help.
Normally, if I had time, I would try and, like, get a victory roll or something in here, but I am on a timetable. Like, I've got stuff I gotta go do, because as it turns out, I'm terrible at time management, and it took me way too long to do my makeup today. Stick a couple of pins in it, so now I've got kind of that, like, modified side swoop from the golden age of film. I forget. Lana Turner, I think. Maybe. I don't know. But now I'm going to hairspray it. And then I'm going to get dressed. And then I got to go do my stuff. And then I got to go to work. So, being a YouTuber and having a full-time job is really, really hard work. Just gonna throw that out there. So I'm just gonna stick with you. But anyways, this is the finished half-arsed product. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, look, it's me talking to you again without having any idea that my microphone was not turned on. But at least in about 2.5 seconds, you will get to see my hair looking like an insane woman, much like the crazy lady from The Simpsons with all the cats. But I did manage to get my hair all pulled up into a nice, cute little high pony. I'm taking the tail of my brush and pulling it out so that when I smooth it, it doesn't look like big lumpy messes. And I am using the Quaj smoothing gel product to help smooth my hair down and give it a nice look. I added a little floral hairpiece just so that it looks extra cute.
All for watching as usual. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. I would really love to grow my channel. I know I'm very inconsistent with my postings. Life is super busy. Like, you work a full-time job, and YouTube is basically also a full-time job. Even if you're only putting out one video a week, it's not easy. So, please